Hi there, students. Downtime. Okay, downtime is a word that I would use to describe a factory or a machine. The downtime is the time when this factory or this machine is not operating. So a factory might have downtime for various different reasons. The machinery might need maintenance, and this is downtime. Yeah, it's not producing, the factory is not producing the product that it normally produces. Or maybe there is something is malfunctioning, there's something that's not working right. That would also be downtime. Or perhaps there could be a strike, and that would be downtime as well. So downtime is the amount of time where a machine or an asset or something is not working. I'm thinking, for example, of an aeroplane. An aeroplane flies from A to B and then back from B to A and from A to B. The downtime is the time when it's not flying, when it's not moving passengers. So, for example, the downtime would be the amount of time between unloading one set of passengers and loading the next set of passengers. The time between there where you need to reload the aircraft, you need to refuel it, you need to do various different things. That would be downtime. And if you can decrease the downtime of an aeroplane, then your airline is going to be more profitable. So it's the time when a machine is not working, where it's not capable of production. It's non-productive time. Now you can also use downtime for people. Downtime is effectively where you are not working, when you're not at work. So I've been working all week and I need some downtime. It's a period set aside for relaxation, for rest, for leisure. So I'm thinking, if you're a parent and you have kids, downtime can be a very difficult thing to get, because very often parenting is a 24-hour-a-day activity. Downtime, well, the kids probably have more energy than you do, so it can be difficult to get any downtime at all. Okay, so time spent not working. So it's, in a way, it's exactly the same idea as the machine, but treating the human as a machine. And yes, we work and we have a period of time where we work, but we also have downtime. We need to eat. That would be maintenance. We need to sleep. That would be maintenance as well. Okay, or for example, a website. The downtime is the amount of time that the website is not available. Okay, so the website, maybe there is a problem with the server, or there's a problem with internet, or there needs to be some periodic maintenance. This would be the downtime of a website, or downtime for a server. It's the period of time where it's not actually doing what it should be. And let's see, I think in every business you need to take into account that the downtime is needed. It depends what it is. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less, but it's when something is out of action, it's unavailable for use. And then as well, people need downtime to unwind, a period of time when a machine is not operating, when a person is not operating, when a factory is not operating. I guess you could have the opposite of uptime. I think uptime is not a very common word though, but the downtime, the period of time where it's not working. Formality. Well, this is a business word, downtime. 5 in formality, use absolutely anywhere. And the origin, well, it's the time when the machine is down or where the human is down. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Downtime.